In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can create viral children's story videos in just 10 minutes using free AI tools. I'll also show you the final result, so no need to worry about that. You probably know that kids' story videos often go viral, amassing millions of views and generating significant earnings. Today, I'll teach you a unique method of making these videos that no one else has shown you yet. So don't skip ahead and make sure to watch until the end. Without further ado, let's get started. To make a children's story video, you'll need 3 things: a story, animated videos, and high-quality voiceovers. We will combine these elements and proceed with video editing. Let's start by getting the story from ChatGPT. Simply ask ChatGPT to write a short moral story about a lion and a boy for a YouTube video. Once you have the story, copy and save it. Next, ask ChatGPT for additional video ideas to work on. Now that we have a story, the next step is crucial, so pay close attention. We need to generate images for each scene of the story. I have 3 methods for image and video generation. The first method is to use Midjourney and Leonardo AI. Midjourney provides ultra-high-quality images, but it isn't free anymore, so if possible, I recommend subscribing to it as it can be useful for various tasks. Leonardo AI, on the other hand, is a free tool. Go to app.leonardo.ai, click on Create an Account and sign up with your Google account. Navigate to AI Image Generation and choose the 3D animation style for your images. You'll also need prompts for each scene. Ask ChatGPT for Midjourney prompts for each scene to generate images. For generating images, directly copy and paste sentences into Leonardo AI and add details like 4K HD, colorful, realistic animated style. Adjust the aspect ratio and set the number of images. Click Generate, and your images will be ready. The more images you have, the better your video will turn out. The second method involves using Runway ML to generate videos from text or images. Runway ML can convert images into videos or create videos from text prompts. Go to app.runwayml.com and sign up with your Google account. Navigate to the text and image to video option and choose your preferred option. Input the text prompt. Add camera motion. Select a style and click Generate. Let's see the result. The output is really good. You can also convert images into videos by uploading your image and adding video motion. Go to Motion Blur Properties and give your image some motion. You can also highlight some specific areas for motion by painting with the brush tool. And click Generate. High-quality images will result in better videos. The output looks pretty good. Now to another method is to use Pika AI, which is similar to Runway ML. Upload your image. Add prompts for better results. Adjust the camera controls settings. You can also add negative prompt and adjust seed value for better results. And click Generate. And it will generate the video for you quickly. Let's see the result. After generating the images and videos, we need to do a voiceover. If you can do it yourself, great. If not, use 11 Labs. Go to the voice library, find a voice suitable for storytelling, and generate the voiceover using your story text. Download the voiceover once it's ready. Now, combine all the elements and edit the video. Use any video editing software you prefer. If you're on a phone, try KineMaster. For a laptop, CapCut or Premiere Pro works well. Import your media files, sync them with the voiceover, remove any watermarks using scaling or specific online tools. Increase video length if needed. Apply filters for a colorful look, and add background music and sound effects. ChatGPT can provide music and sound effect ideas suitable for your video. Finally, add captions. If you are using CapCut, then you can use auto captions. But if you are using any other software, then you can generate captions online on sites like Vid.io or Submagic. Now we have completed the editing process. Let's see how it turns out.
In a quaint village near a vast jungle lived a boy named Sam, known for his kindness and curiosity. One bright morning, Sam ventured deeper into the jungle than ever before. He heard a faint, sorrowful roar. Following the sound, he found a magnificent lion trapped in a hunter's net. With courage and steady hands, Sam worked tirelessly to free the lion. Once free, the lion bowed its head in gratitude and said, "Thank you, brave boy. I will not forget this."
The video is well made, and with more creativity, you can create even better videos. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.